Good morning, students. As you all know that our half-yearly exams are over, I hope all of you have done well in your exams. Now today, children, we will begin with our first chapter for the annual term, which is chapter number 11, India, its mineral resources. In this lesson, children, we will learn about metals, non-metals, and conservation of minerals. Now, before starting with the lesson, children, let us solve this exercise, short exercise given on the first page. Look at the things and write the names of the metals they are made up of. So, children, as you can see, there are four pictures on your screen. The first picture is of iron rods, and the metal used to make iron rod is iron. So, the first answer will be iron. Second picture is of utensils. So children, utensils are made up of aluminium. So the metal used to make utensils is aluminium. Third is copper wire. So children, the metal used to make copper wires is copper. And lastly, as you can see, gold jewelry is there. So children, the metal used to make gold jewelry will be gold. Now, children, let us start reading the lesson. Various types of minerals are used to make things. We get many of these materials from rocks. Rocks are made up of different types of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances such as iron ore, coal, or petroleum that are obtained by mining or drilling. Digging out minerals from the surface of the earth is called mining. Deep holes are dug into the earth to take out mineral ores. Such holes are called mines. So, first of all, children, what are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances that are obtained by mining or drilling. So, children, this is the definition or the meaning of the term minerals. Now, from where do we get the minerals? So, children, we get the minerals from the rocks. Yes, children, we get minerals from the rocks. Rocks are made up of different types of minerals. Now, some examples of minerals are iron ore, coal, and petroleum. So, children, these are some minerals which we get by mining or drilling. Here, children, I would like to show you this is an iron ore. So, an iron ore is a rock, and from this rock we get iron. So, those type of rocks from which we get iron is known as iron ore. So, this is a very common example of mineral. Now, children, what is mining? So, digging out minerals from the surface of the earth is called mining. When we dig out the surface of the earth to take out the minerals, this process is known as mining. So, children, deep holes are dug into the earth's surface to take out mineral ores, and these holes are known as mines. So, children, when we dig very large holes into the ground to take out these minerals, that process is known as mining, and the holes from which we take out the mineral, that is known as a mine. Here, children, I would like to show you this is an example of how mines look like. So, on the surface of the earth, very deep holes are dug to take out the minerals, and the holes only are known as mines, and the process to take out the minerals from the surface of the earth is known as mining. So children, minerals are found in nature in crude form. Crude means kacha. So minerals are found in nature in crude form, and with the help of minerals only many things are made. Now children, the next topic which we will study is metals and non-metals. The minerals which we get from the rocks are of two types, metals and non-metals. Things such as cooking utensils, pins, nails, bodies of cars and aeroplanes are made up of hard shining materials. They are called metals. Iron, copper, gold and aluminium are metals. Minerals from which metals are obtained are called ores. So children, minerals which we get from the rocks are of two types. Minerals can be divided into two types, metals and non-metals. So what are metals? Things like cooking utensils. Utensil means bartan. So things like cooking utensil, pins, nails, body of cars, aeroplane, all these things children, they are made up of hard and shining materials. And these materials only are known as metals. Now, what are the examples of metals? Examples of metals are iron, copper, gold, and aluminium. These are all examples of metals. Now, children, what are ores? Such type of minerals from which metals are obtained, such type of minerals from which we get metals are known as ores. Now, let us read the last paragraph. Things that are not hard and shiny like metals are called non-metals. Non-metals include salt, coal, petroleum, limestone and precious stones. Coal and petroleum are used as fuel. They are also called mineral fuels. Now children, what are non-metals? Things which are not hard and not shiny like the metals. They are known as non-metals. So non-metals are not hard and they are not shiny. Now, examples of non-metals are salt, coal, petroleum, limestone, and precious stones like diamonds. All these are non-metals. Now, children, coal and petroleum are fuel, and that is why, children, they are also known as mineral fuel. So, children, today we will do till here only. Now, please, children, revise the portion that we have done today, and I will see you in the next class where we will read in detail about the metals. So, till then, children, take care of yourself. Thank you.